This
Sa
is
Mutia po, si Mutia po, meron po tayong 97 ang lote po, square meter. Then, floor area 63 square meter. So, si Mutia po ay sa single attach. So, meron tayong pwedeng dalawang parking area. Parking 1, parking 2.
so two parking lots.
This is a purpose. Meron kung matatanong niyo po ano po to. During pandemic po kasi talaga ginawa si Silaya. So yan po yung tinatawag natin na sanitary bench. Di ba dati po anong pandemic, bago tayo pumasok ng bahay, alisin muna na lahat natin yung suot natin. Diyan yung patungan.
That's intended for pandemic. Okay. And that is the garden.
Yes. Then ito po yung ating
This is Mucha. This is the second biggest.
living room po natin. Then
The lot area is
97.
97 square meters. The floor area is
64.
64 square meters.
Then extension,
There's a
malaki po
CR.
yung pwedeng maging
There's a CR on the ground floor, and then this is
maging extension.
this is possible area for extension.
Then yung sa taas po.
And then this is the stairs.
So dito sa taas meron tayong tatlong bedroom din. Bedroom 1,
3 bedrooms also.
May bedroom 1 to 1 master bedroom.
This is
So yung
bedroom
bathroom lang
1.
po natin, isa lang dito.
This is bedroom 2. This is bedroom 3. This is the CR.